Good morning, everyone! May ganit yung puso, kaya wala na kami tayo ng ating These are the serving pupils for the school year 2023-2024. Certificate of recognition is proudly presented to Francis Albert M. Perez for his commendable effort and achievement as a learner of the Boston Christian School in Core, Puerto with honors. He will also receive Best in English, Best in Filipino,